Wait, I've never done this. Oh, alright. Aitken, fit Aitken S4, signature frame, Inman.
Oh, I have to look at it. Ooh. Okay.
Okay, the Inman stock bars says Justin Inman right there. Then the Inman signature fork. The Odyssey Bandero B2.
Bandero?
Bandero B2. Sunlight rims. Crappy. FAF.
FAF?
Fit. Yeah, FAF.
What about your peg?
And the Seacast G Sports. The G Sports.
I thought they were thermalite.
No, there's a G Sports.
Okay, G Sport then.
We got a Policia.
No, that's just filming. Like, check.
No. No. I messed up my ankle. It's a camera.
Like, check. Number two, number two.
Yeah, I'm sponsored. Doing a bike check.
That's why you're doing tricks.
Yeah.
Don't you call it tricking?
Yeah, that too. You too.
Okay.
I was pretty sick. Alright.
Alright, keep going.
The Inman signature grips.
Grips. What about your stem? What's your stem?
The S&M Little Redneck. I want the Colony headset. It says Colony. Colony integrated headset. The
Yeah, over.
Fit seat. The Inman Fit seat. The Fit post, but you can't see shit.
Not an Inman suit.
Yeah, it is. That's what it said on the box. Okay. Well, 27 drive, Fit sprocket. Crappy specialized 2 cranks. Odyssey metal pedals. Sick. Chain. Nitrous half link. And then tire again. FAF.
Okay.
Smaller.
What kind of hub?
With the Odyssey Hazard. Yeah, left side too. Left side drive, homie. You don't know about that. Left side drive.
And this.
And then the Eastern pop and lock hub guard, but it doesn't lock or pop. It just spins. And then the Sunlight rims again. Crappy. Oh, and the Protect helmet. Don't forget about that, homies.
And your shoes, we got
Low Tech.
Dickies. And Dickies. And a Mexican.
G Sport.